Can you introduce her again?
Do what?
Easy one.
Say what?
She didn't tell us before.
Huh? I don't know. What are we supposed to say? Oh, got it.